Hi, good morning everyone. Today we're doing a Mercedes. The chassis is 205. This is convertible and C250D, you can see. And the problem with this one is when we diagnose it, we get that code. If you can see here, we reset the code, but that code is coming. You can see P073E00, reverse gear cannot be engaged. And the problem, if you can see my videos, the problem is this one: when you put in a drive, is into the neutral, then you putting again, and then it's go into D1, and then you can drive. But when it's go hot, then is when you putting in a P, then you put in a drive, is go jump into D3. And sometime is not engaging, is go D3, then come back into the neutral. That's the common problem. I'm making a big jerk on there, and this is the problem, common problem in that Mercedes 9G Tronic gearbox. And we can do that one. If you have the problem of like that, you have to come to my shop, and we can repair your car in like 3 to 4 hours. We are in Hounslow, and my postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango. You can see my other videos. We can explain what we gonna do and what we can, how we gonna fix the car, and we do the service kit as well, gearbox service. So you have to come to us, and then we're gonna ready your car in 3 to 4 hours, and we give you the warranty as well of this job. And if you're driving like that, it's gonna burn the clutches, so you should be, because the car going into the straightaway D3 is skip 1 2, and the car taking too much stress to force to work, and it's burn the clutches. So if you have the problem of like that, you can contact me. My phone number is 0740-2536-382, and I will repeat again slowly: 0740-2536-382. We are in Hounslow, and my garage name in Hounslow Motor Limited. You can see how many Mercedes we're doing, and we have the good review as well, you can see. And you can contact me through WhatsApp, email, or you can call me and book with me, and then we're gonna do the job. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks, bye.